Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix incorrect password on Instagram. So guys, if you want to try to log in your Instagram account but you're facing a problem that Instagram incorrect password, so how can you fix it? So guys, watch this video till the end. So guys, our first step is to open settings and you have to make sure that you have an active internet connection, and go back and then tap on VPN, and you have to make sure that there is not connected any of the VPN. Now after that, go back and then tap on general and then tap on software update, and from here guys, you have to just simply update your device to the latest version of iOS 18. Now after that, go back, scroll down and then tap on date and time and make sure that your date and time is correct and set automatically is turned on. Now after that, simply go back and then tap on iPhone storage, and from here guys, just simply open the Instagram, and from here guys, just simply offload the app, and from here guys, you have to just simply open the App Store from here and search for the Instagram app, and after that you have to just simply update the app from here and check if the problem is fixed or not. If still having this problem, then you have to just simply open up the any browser and search for Instagram and try to log in a web from here, and after that guys, check if the problem is fixed or not. If still having this problem, then you have to make sure that there is no down detector on the app. If there is a down detector, then you have to just simply wait for some hours, and after that guys, hopefully your problem will be fixed automatically. So guys, in this way you can easily fix your problem. So guys, that's it for today guys. Hope this video helps you. If the video helps you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.